Hello friends, welcome to my channel Game of Trades. Today is 20th of January 2018 and I will be analyzing Nifty 50. First see the disclaimer. Whatever information you are viewing through this YouTube channel is only for educational purpose and any trade that you wish to take upon based on suggestions made here is only your responsibility and I can't be held illegally responsible for any of your profit or loss. Now Nifty 50. So I have been very bullish on Nifty 50 and this is evident from the analysis video that I have uploaded since past few months. Now if you see this trend line, I will make it darker so that this trend line has been surpassed with a gap, and that gap was simply touched with the shadow and then it has been flying high. So this is a clear-cut breakout. Now after this breakout, what can happen? If you see the movement from this level, it has been slanting. So if you see there is a inclination, it has been moving steadily and upwards, but the movement has been sometimes downsides and then again after a breather it starts to move again up. Now if you see the movement here, it has been steeper, much steeper than what we observe here, right? And that is what I mean, that this is the third of the third of the third wave. Internally if you count, it is such a strong wave that it will move so fast and at such a high speed that people will fear whether to enter or not. To get hold of any dip is really very difficult, and that's what we see. In the morning when it is started, it was just staggering around here. So let's say we had this good breakout here. Now the same day it came down. Now it felt to many retail traders that now it is losing strength and probably it will come down. When it opened a bit up above what was closed the previous day, then people might think, okay, there is no considerable gap now. Now this is possible that we will lose out on momentum and then it might happen that it will come down. But what we saw yesterday was a great grand move, and if anybody could have caught it, then that would have resulted in a very good money. I did catch some on Bank Nifty. Also on Nifty, I had 11,000 call, which you might have seen in my previous open positions video. So I did book some amount, but then the main thing is uh, I should have carried it because I know that it is going to go still higher. So even if you are carrying this January 2000 so January 11,000 CE, that is fine. I booked it because I had taken some intraday positions also, and I was getting really good profits, and I really didn't wanted to miss it, so I just booked it. Now what will happen? It will go still higher, and if I talk of target projection, then it will be the first target is once we cross 10,950.70, so that's the range. Once that level is crossed, the next target directly comes at 11,200. So now after this level we are able to cross, then we are going to go much higher and we will see a blast that we see currently now. Bank Nifty is unstoppable. It has reached from 25,700 to almost 27,000. So this leap of movement is we will not be getting again. This comes this does not come so often. So this is the time that we ride the tide instead of thinking that a topping is created that now since it has risen much it should fall. The normal psychology of a trader is if something has risen higher and it is going up, people think that now it will retrace. And if something is falling, now people think that okay, it has fallen a lot, now it should go up. Now this mindset has to be changed, because if something is falling, that means there is a weakness. And if something is going higher and higher, that means it has a strength. So instead, if it is showing strength, that means it is telling that I have the power to go up. And if at that moment you are shorting it, that means you are going against the trend. What we have to do is to follow the trend. And if it is going up, that means it has the strength. That means it is saying that I can go still up. Then we should ride the tide instead of going short, instead of imagining that reversal can happen. One of the major reason of why we incur losses is that we are too much interested in finding a reversal signal than uh, than than actually following the trend. What we should be doing is we need to follow the trend. We need to position ourselves according to the current trend instead of always fishing for reversal. This should be very clear, guys, otherwise we will keep doing same mistake again and again. Don't look for reversal. If it is going up, simply buy it. If it is going down, simply short it. That's the way we have to trade. It can be very simple or it can be as complicated as we can imagine. So that is something we need to take care. Currently, the trend is up. RSI is showing strength. It is going higher, and we see that we currently a steep movement has come. The line, if we draw the way it is moving almost vertical. And if a trend is such strong that it is moving almost vertical, there is no point in starting it. So keep your long positions on, and then you will see a very good profit. In my other coming videos, I will be analyzing what are the other positions I have in Zerodha video, which I showed you that I have my open position in Kotak Bank and Reliance. So I will be explaining this separately. I don't want to make a single video as a big video, because then it takes a lot of time in uploading. So it's better that I will keep part of so I will dedicate one video for one analysis that helps me in uploading, because it takes otherwise it takes a lot of time. So guys, if you have any further questions, you can ask me in the comment section, and if you want to join my WhatsApp group, then you can ping me on the number provided in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.